The underworld of New York's tabloid magazine industry was laid bare in a Manhattan court today.
It was during Donald Trump's criminal trial where he's accused of falsifying business records.
Jurors heard how Trump enlisted a prominent publisher to find and kill negative stories about him. US correspondent Mitch McCann reports.
A day after opening statements, the trial itself was put on hold for a few hours, the judge choosing to deal with defendant Donald Trump's attacks on witnesses.
It's a big day in Pennsylvania, and we hope the people get out there and vote.
Judge Merchan had issued a gag order on Donald Trump. Online, the former president called likely witnesses both liars and sleazebags. Prosecutors have cited at least 10 occasions where he defied the order and seek a $10,000 fine. They say he disregarded the order just yesterday inside the court building.
It's a very, very sad day in America, I can tell you that.
One prosecutor asked the judge to remind Donald Trump that incarceration is an option if he continued. It was a bruising morning here in New York for Donald Trump's lawyer, trying to defend social media posts and comments he made that prosecutors say defied the gag order against him. At one point, the judge told Todd Blanche, "You're losing all credibility with the court." The judge is still yet to reveal if he's going to fine Donald Trump. In this trial, he's accused of falsifying business records to cover up an affair. Prosecutors say that's a crime in itself, but it's more serious because it was to help influence the 2016 election. Today, they set out to show how that worked, using the magazine publisher David Pecker. He ran the National Enquirer and was enlisted to catch or find negative Trump stories before the election and kill them. Pecker told the court when someone is running for a public office like this, it is very common for these women to call up a magazine like the National Enquirer to try and sell their stories. But that's where Pecker would step in and buy the rights to them before they could get out. That's the origin of the hush money payment to Stormy Daniels, which is the focus of this case. This is already a familiar journey for Donald Trump, leaving the court here in New York and heading back out onto the campaign trail around the country. At the moment, the polls are close ahead of the election. But a conviction here in Manhattan could change all of that. The court will resume again after tomorrow's day off, where Donald Trump's lawyers might be hoping he takes a break from posting on social media. In New York, Mitch McCann, Newshub.